Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group Zambia. We will present about Zambia country. Before that, I will introduce our group members. First is me, Rizka Octavia Damanik, and then Anissa Fil Ilmi, Anissa Elmida, Anissa Lutfia, and the last one is Rizky Octaviano.
Hi guys, I'm Anissa. Here I will explain a little about Zambia. The Republic of Zambia is a landlocked country in southern Africa with the Zambian kwacha currency. The country, which has no coastline, is bordered by the Democratic Republic of Congo to the north. In the past, Zambia was named North Zambezia, then changed to Northern Rhodesia, and now Zambia comes from the name of a river in this country, namely the Zambezi River. And this the Zambian logo. The Zambian flag was introduced on October 24, 1964. The eagle is the symbol of Zambia. The meaning of the eagle flying over color stripe is meant to represent the ability of society to overcome the problem of the nation. The colors used in the Zambian flag have different meanings, such as green symbolizes the fertility of the nation's flora, red for the nation's struggle for freedom, black for Zambian people, and orange for natural wealth and soil mineral wealth.
Zambia has 8 main regional languages, 4 of which are the most spoken being Kaunda, Lozi, Bemfa, and Lunda. Zambia's official language is English, which is used in official affairs, business, and teaching in schools. This is because the majority of Zambia's population is European, mainly from the UK, and some of them come from Asia and India. It is no wonder that Zambia's official language is English. The English spoken in Zambia has several distinctive features, such as the omission of certain mandatory object pronouns in Western English, simplification of some verb phrases, subtle distinction in the use of auxiliary verbs, the simplification of the vowel sound, and the incorporation of particles that are native to Zambian. Zambian English also incorporates South African words such as braai for barbecue.
The uniqueness and cultural fact of the country of Zambia. There are several cultural facts of Zambia. First, the first name of the country of Zambia is Northern Zambezia, then changed to the Northern Rhodesia, and now Zambia derived from the name of a river in this country, namely Zambezi River. Second, the country of Zambia is landlocked country in South Africa. Third, the Zambezi River is natural barrier in the southern part of the country of Zambia. Next, the country of Zambia has the large waterfall called its Victoria Falls. Based on the name, the waterfalls come from the name of the Queen of England, Victoria, and is located in border between Zambia and Zimbabwe. Last, the large artificial lake in the swamp in Zambia, which is called Lake Kariba. The creation of the lake as a source of electricity for mining in Zambia, and the lake is named after its maker, Kariba Dam.
Explain about Zambia cultures. The first is names. Names are very important in Zambia. Children are usually named after notable family members, or in cases where a child is born after twin children. They are usually called Kola in the Bemba tribe from northern Zambia. And then in the Tumbuka tribe from eastern Zambia, there are various names for twins, Pasani and Piela, or a for surviving twin. And then Mulimba Goli for first of twins, and then Fulata, second of twins. There is dowry culture. A dowry or bride price in Zambia is called lobola. This is a pre-wedding practice where the groom is asked to pay an appreciation fee to his intended wife's family for raising her well. And then pre-wedding buffet. A man that is about to get married is treated to a pre-wedding buffet by his future wife's female relatives. The ceremony is called Ichilanga Mulilo, which is from the Bemba tribe of northern Zambia and directly translates to "sow the fire." And then only men being allowed to eat particular pieces of meat. Traditionally, larger and specific pieces of meat were usually reserved for the men in the family as they were the sole breadwinners. And then they have in-laws culture. In Zambian culture, a woman must wear a chitenge in the presence of her in-laws to show respect. She is also expected to serve traditional Zambian food to them. And then traditional ceremonies. Zambians belong to one or several of approximately 73 tribes, all of which have unique traditional ceremonies. These ceremonies celebrate harvest or reenact parts of a tribe's history. They are held throughout the year and are free for any Zambian to attend, regardless of tribe. And the last one is tea at 4 p.m. culture. Zambia was colonized by the British under independence in 1964. And one of the things that they left behind was their love of afternoon tea. In Zambia, 4 p.m. tea is called 16 hours and usually consists of tea with fritters or round dough balls which are fried in hot oil, bread or biscuit.
Stand and sing of Zambia, proud and free, land of work and joy in unity, victors in the struggle for the right. We won freedom's fight, all one, strong and free. Africa is our own motherland, fashioned with a blessing by God's hand. Let us little people join as one, brothers under the sun, all one, strong and free. One land and one nation is our cry. Dignity and peace in Zambia's sky. Like an noble eagle in its flight, Zambia, praise to thee. All one, strong and free. Bless our great nation, free men we stand under the flag of our land, Zambia, praise to thee. Strong and free, stand and sing of Zambia.